When searching for the right locksmith company in New York City, keep these important tips in mind. Here are 5 vital tips when choosing a locksmith company in New York City. 1. Licensed. Your best choice for a locksmith will have a license to perform services in your state. 2. Insurance coverage that is accurate and up-to-date. 3. Credibility. The credibility of a locksmith is important. What membership, association, awards, or what accreditation can they discuss? 4. A smart locksmith will continue ongoing training and classes for new products and technology in the marketplace. 5. Online testimonials. Look at their reviews or online testimonials. The information S.O.S Locksmith provides could save you time and money. Visit our website at www.soslocksmith.com or call us at 212-206-777.